How to remove Google Authenticator from Melbet. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Google Authenticator from Melbet. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional Melbet account. To do that, all you have to do is to click on register, click on full registration. After that, all you have to do is to enter your personal information and you scroll down. At the place of promo code, all you have to enter is CAMTV, which is going to give you 300% bonus on your first deposit. So this process is pretty easy. The first thing you have to do is to open your Melbet app. Next, you're going to click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Next, you're going to click on the settings icon at the top right. And here, to be able to remove Google Authenticator from Melbet, you're going to click on security settings. And after this, you're going to click on two-factor authentication. As you can see, my request limit has exceeded, but at this point, you'll be able to remove Google Authenticator from Melbet. To do this, all you have to do is to click on remove Google Authenticator. When you click on remove Google Authenticator, it will request you to generate a code on your Google Authenticator app, which you'll be able to enter on Melbet to be able to unlink or remove Google Authenticator from Melbet. It's as easy as that.